Hello everyone! So, the latest Your Creative Studio box is here, and this is the one that was originally intended to be for March, but due to shipping delays, etc., has been reappropriated as the January box. Looks like some beautiful flowers here, that's exciting. Oh, it says, that's funny. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you would enjoy our March collection. And of course, it is no longer the March collection, but indeed the January collection. I don't know what they're going to do. Maybe if January comes in, they'll swap that out for March or something, but let's see what we have. I'm going to take a seat here. And things are, oh wow, what is this? I kind of want to see what this is. What is this? Oh, it looks like tickets. Let me get this open. And actually, I am gonna just try to slip the tissue paper out from underneath there. Okay. And I've got the plastic off. These, what? Oh. Okay, I got the plastic off, but oh, there we go. Ooh, look how cute that is. I love this little box. This would be excellent in a journal. I can flatten it, you know, to use it as a pocket, or, you know, you could use it as a little gift. This is cool. I like this. And it's beautiful. And these appear to be tied together in a booklet, and they do seem very March theme-ish. What does this say? It says, blindness can increase your courage because you can't see danger. Okay. Shimano holiday. And then there's this, like, acetate topping piece here. Topping piece, what in the world? Yes, that isn't the best. And it's got a bunny playing an accordion, I believe. He's dressed up, and some chicks. But underneath, looks like more versatile. Oh, look at the bunny. Oh, he's precious. I love him. It does say Happy Easter, but you know what? That could easily be trimmed off, and oh, you know. February. It's not too soon. There are some bunnies in here. But I actually like bunnies, so not a problem for me. Oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness. These are amazing. This looks like a hare. Yep, European hare. And actually I learned recently that bunny isn't the animal. Bunny is, like, it means cute. It kind of reminds me of, I think it's Scottish or Celtic Bonnie, you know, a bonny lass. But it has become pretty much the word for, you know, associated with a rabbit. But yeah, bunny originally didn't mean rabbit, it just meant cute. Bunny rabbit, a cute rabbit. So there are, I'm not going to flip through all of these. Oh my goodness, look at this guy. He's almost scary, but cute. Lots of roses. This could easily be a bookmark, or mine got a little damage down here. But yeah, oh, and it's double-sided. That'd be great as a bookmark, actually. And I love the owl, too. Well, something I didn't realize right away was that this set here, with all these cute creatures, is actually a sticker. So I'm going to show you right here. You just take the backing paper off. And it's not perforated there. I just tore this one off. But yeah, it's an opaque sticker. Whoops. Now that completely came off. So that's good to know. Oh my goodness, all of these stickers. Alright, setting that aside, I could spend a lot more time on that, but you guys don't have all day, do you? So, let's see what's in package number 2. These are like the papers that we often get. They're thin, you know, paperweight, but look at the beautiful variety. I want to see this one. Ooh, yeah. These are great for collaging. You can make a nice card with this too if you pieced them together. And lots of lovely florals. Ooh, I like this color. So, and this is thicker, so I would save this and use it as a tag. Maybe even just glue some of this lovely color, like cover up some of that text information down there with one of these pretty pieces and collage. Make a nice journal card or tag there. Alright, what do we have here? Cling stamp. Let's see. Seems like there's a lot of package for a small amount. Oh no, there's four stamps in here. And let's get them on here. And they're flowers. That is a versatile stamp. Very useful. Show them here, and then I will stamp them out later and come back with that. And I believe this is also a cling stamp, so let's have a look at this. Ooh, it looks like it might have script or text on it. Oh yeah, this is lovely for journals or art journaling, even, you know, background of cards. I like that. You can't really read the text, but it's not really about that. It's more the accent. We'll see what it looks like stamped out. Popping back in here with the stamped out images. This is the larger stamp with the kind of scripty background. And then we have 2 florals here in kind of a medium size. And then 2 other florals in a smaller, slightly smaller size. We have some washi masking tape here. And we're gonna just put a little strip out there. Maybe hold on to it for a moment. Whoops. That didn't work very well, did it? I dropped it. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. That's nice. Vintage. I love the background of it. It's got like subtle hints of text and then florals. Yeah, that'll be great in journals. What's this? Oh yeah, labels. No surprise there. We often get little labels, but these are more neutral in color. And we do have a variety of sizes. So similar to past, but this is, you know, I like the brown. And then, you know, if you wanted to add some color, that'd be really easy to do with ink, etc. And then it looks like there's some numbers in here too. Let me see if I can just... And so some of them say number, you could add the numbers. Oh look, there's a lot smaller ones down below. Wow! And they're getting kind of caught in there, but a lot of variety in size there. We're going to set those aside. Look at this little interesting item. Ooh, it's vellum, it looks like, and it's printed on. And look at this, it's got, I don't know, can you see that? I bet that's not focusing. We'll wait for a second. But I will demonstrate. Uh-oh. It's got a perforation. Now, it didn't tear perfectly that time, but that's pretty cool. I like this. I need paper. Here we go. So, you can see, hopefully better than... There's the perforation, and then look at the imagery. Cute little bird hanging upside down, butterfly, and ooh, we have some French here. It says Le Route de Mont Ventoux, I believe. What does that say? I can't tell if that says that. I'm not sure. Oh! And some script here. Not script, text. She was powerful, not because she wasn't scared, but because she went on so strongly despite the fear. I like that sentiment. That would make a nice art journaling theme. And look at this, my favorite quatrefoil pattern. It's very subtle in the background, but, and of course, what else? A butterfly. Yeah, there's a lot to love in this. Ooh, we got a hawk. I don't think I have time to show every single one, but I've just discovered that halfway through or so, they're colored. That is awesome. So you get both color and black and white. Now, this guy's pretty cool looking. I gotta show the owl. I love animals, and I do like owls a lot too. Oh my goodness! And then it just keeps getting better because there's white and color, but then down here, we've got a lot more color. This little piece is maybe my favorite so far. This is really cool. Okay, this little guy wants to try to disappear, so we better figure out what it is. The Pursuit of Happiness. Tiny little booklet. What's inside? Looks like vellum, a little vellum booklet also. Yeah, that's pretty cool. These vellum ones are hard to see though, I can tell. So, ooh, tickets. Just kind of trying to flip through a little bit. There's a variety of, looks like ticket-like ephemera printed on colored vellum. And we'll just grab this piece of white in here so you can see that's what it would look like against a white background. Oh, this is a Beatles one, so we've had similar things, but this is kind of in a different form in the little vellum booklet. Move that there. Now, what do we have here? Paper ephemera. Lovely card here, totally reusable. Thick, and then, I was going to say lovely again. Ooh, these are double-sided. These are great, and they're, you know, thick. They're nice, like journal card. It looks like, are they all the same? Nope, they're not all the same, but there's probably a good 6 or so of the same one, and then, you know, there's 3 different styles. And so, but yeah, they're very, they're beautiful, but you can also write on them. There's a lot of, you could stamp on it, etc. Moving on, another piece of, uh-oh, got a little peekaboo there. Some more paper ephemera. This might make a nice sturdy cover for a journal. It's almost not fitting in the frame there. And then this guy was on the back. Let's see. I'm guessing maybe there's 3 designs here as well. And these are lighter weight, more paper-like. So, oops. Let's see. There might be more than 3 designs. Yep, there are more than 3 designs. Looks like maybe 5 designs, if I'm not miscounting it. Although this one's different too, so yeah, maybe 6 designs. Pretty. And here's the peekaboo view of the... These look like washi or vellum stickers. No, they're not washi. They're not really vellum, they're just transparent. So they'll show up nicely. Trademark paper. Oh, I bet these are stickers. I don't know. Ugh, there is definitely an odor. Not a nice fragrance. It's strong. So this looks like a backing paper here. Yep. These are sticker papers. I think the odor is waning, but when I opened those, it has kind of a chemical smell that is, I kind of feel like I want to wash my hands right now. So that's unfortunate. Hopefully it's not like unhealthy. Are they all different? They look like they're each unique. So how many do I have here? Yeah, 6 different papers. Papers that are adhesive backed. So sticker papers. Oh. Get. Alright, I kind of tossed that one aside. And then finally we have some floral stickers. Floral themed stickers. These look like vellum, but I said that before, didn't I? Again, this piece of packaging paper would make a nice journal element. These, I don't like them as much as some of the others. They are a little more, not realistic. I don't know, what's the word? Whimsical? I'm not sure how to describe them. I do like them, they're just not my favorite. I like the more vintage or the photorealistic ones better. This one's pretty cool though. Let me see something. I want to see if, I think it is kind of a washi sticker, but I want to see if this background, if this white border shows. It kind of does. And so I'm not loving that there's a lot of white border, but you know, it's not overwhelming. So I'll leave that. Maybe I'll pull it back off actually. It's difficult. Alright, well that is what's in the box for January. Again, this was originally intended as a March box, but has been reappropriated into the January box to save us from not receiving anything. So, you know, I can't complain. They're doing their best with a difficult situation. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!